I remember being so obsessed with slider keyboard smartphones like the LG KS360, and having this brings it so back. Hey, my name is Sam and let's take a quick look at the Power Keyboard by Clicks in the black colorway. I pre-ordered these back in January and it arrived in mid-July 2026 for the pre-sale price of £60. They actually retail for £89, but they're often on discount around £75, and it comes in a black box with a startup guide and some stickers. But we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the keyboard. I love the Clicks Power Keyboard because it isn't just a compact MagSafe compatible Bluetooth keyboard, but it's also a power bank. I like the textured back, the clicky keys, pun intended, the full number rows, adjustable backlit keyboard that slides out for two modes, one for my smaller phone, the iPhone 16 Pro, and further for larger Pro Max and Ultra devices. The magnets are super strong, so I don't have to worry about my phone falling off, and it doesn't block off my camera, plus it has a little weight to it at 180 grams, which helps offset my phone without making it feel too top heavy. I'm not sure how this will work with larger devices, but it works fine for me. Speaking of devices, it pairs up to 9 different devices, so I easily switch from my iPhone to my iPad. Although it's a fantastic keyboard, it's a pretty meh power bank, I'll be honest. With its 2300 mAh battery and only 5W Qi MagSafe charging, it isn't great, but it works fine if you just need a little top up. It usually gives me about 20 to 30% boost, and I use it usually just after work and enjoy that full screen typing experience. Overall, I'm very happy with my Power Keyboard. I'm surprised I find myself using it daily, but for the Power Keyboard 2, I think I would like them to increase it to at least 15W charging and maybe introduce a touchpad to the MagSafe area to improve the wireless experience on iPads and computers. I know this is not really for everyone. I'll be honest, I'm a keyboard guy. I love the tactile response and feel when typing. I use my iPad Magic Keyboard all the time. I even have a case for my Magic Keyboard on the go. So if you're looking for a portable Bluetooth keyboard that you can also top up your phone, I'll say give this a try. As usual, purchase links to my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching. Please drop a like and comment keys to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, would you pick these up? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.